In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text background effect in Adobe Express. Now, if you're familiar with more advanced design tools, you might notice that setting a background color for text, often referred to as text box fill, is usually a straightforward feature. However, Adobe Express doesn't offer a direct built-in option for this. But don't worry. There's a creative workaround using the shape option in text effects that can help you achieve this look. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to select the text box that you're planning to edit. This is where your text is housed and from where we'll be creating the effect. Once you have your text box selected, direct your attention to the Text Properties panel. This panel is foundational for making any text adjustments, and you'll find a variety of options here to tweak the appearance of your text. Next, navigate to the Effects section within the Text Properties panel. Here, you'll find the option labeled Shape. This feature is a bit of a hidden gem in Adobe Express, but it opens up a lot of possibilities. According to Adobe's documentation, applying a shape behind your text using this option essentially simulates the background effect we're going for. Now, let's get into the specifics. Once you're in the shape option, you should easily see selections for choosing your shape's color and adjusting its opacity. This is where you can really start customizing the look to fit your design needs. Pick a color that complements your overall style and ensures your text remains readable. If you're looking for a soft and subtle touch, experimenting with the opacity might be beneficial. Lower opacity can provide an understated background without overpowering the text itself. On a practical note, it's always a good idea to keep contrast in mind. The background color should help the text stand out, rather than blend in. A contrasting yet harmonious color choice will bolster the readability of your text while also achieving the visual appeal you're aiming for. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that this solution comes straight from Adobe's forums, verified by an Adobe staff member recommending this approach. It underscores an alternative method to implement a feature that isn't natively available in the more straightforward sense. In conclusion, while Adobe Express might lack a direct text background feature, this method gives your text an effective and appealing effect using the Shape tool. Experiment with different shapes, colors, and opacities until it aligns perfectly with your vision. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this technique empowers you to create stunning designs with an added level of depth. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful design tips.